If you enjoy what we do at Life on Pig Road, both in the garden and in the kitchen, don't forget before watching the rest of the film to like and subscribe. Thank you. Hello, welcome to Life on Pig Road, and today we're bottling cider. To bottle cider, first you need your cider that's been fermenting for a month. You can find out how to do this on our blog at www.lifeonpigroad.co.uk. Step-by-step blog post on how to make your own cider. This year we've done this. You'll also need some bottles. You've got a choice. You can go for screw top, or as we call it, the pop top, the old pop bottle tops. These are all recycled. These used to be pop bottles, and this we've had for years. And finally, you will need a siphon, which looks like this. A simple one. You want one with filter on because you don't want any of the sediment at the back to get into the bottles. So then it's a matter of putting the siphon into the bottle. A lot of siphon filters don't fit through the demijohn's neck. Make sure you get the right kind of size to go into your demijohn, and then there you go, let it sink down to the bottom. Leave it to settle for a while, and let's have a see what we do at the other end to bring the liquid out. I'm doing the big pot lid bottle first. The reason I've got a funnel in the top is because I want this to be sparkling, and for it to be sparkling cider, I need to add sugar. So I'm going to add 2 teaspoons in this because it's quite a big bottle. You can add 1 if you want to be safe, but 2 teaspoons make it slightly sweeter and more sparkling. So there's 1. 2. Siphons sometimes come with a pump on them, so you can go and it brings the liquid down, but I find them rather flimsy. In the past they broke on me. I prefer the old-fashioned version, which is basically a tap. It's on at the moment, so if I start to suck it, the liquid will start to move. I'm using gravity. The cider's above me, and that will help the liquid to come down into the bottle. So let's go. So there you are. It's starting to pour out now. And it tastes rather nice. Even at this stage, you're supposed to leave cider for about a year, but you can tell the alcohol's really working on that. Cider. That's my first bottle. A bit of sediment came with it because it's the first time I've done it, but it doesn't matter. Give it a little bit of shake up. Make sure the sugar is all the way through it. And I think I've drank a bit of cider by now by siphoning off. So now we're going to do the remaining bottles, and that should empty my demijohn. So I've got my cider bottled up. Yay! The first ever pig roast cider. It's fantastic. And as I've been siphoning off, I have had a little bit of a taste. And to say it's quite potent, sweet and nice at the same time is an underestimate. So this will sit normally for a year. They say cider, you can drink it by Christmas from the summer before. It'll be alcoholic, but it won't be tasty. Leave it to the summer later, it'll be alcoholic and tasty. So I might actually crack one open on Christmas Day, just have a little taste. Until next time, bye bye.